Hey guys, it's Mike from Love to Wander. I was the one of the winners of the Nomadik subscription box. Let's see what's in it. I got my trusty little Kershaw shuffle. This is a live opening. See what's in the box. This box is called Packed Up. First thing in the box is we have some Gear Aid Shockcord. It's pretty cool to have. We have some drink powders called DripDrop. Got berry and lemon. They're an electrolyte drink, which is pretty cool. It's always good to have. I'm gonna give that a shot my next time out. Let's see. We got some clothing wash and repel by Grangers. Pretty cool. Got a bottle of Gear Clean by Grangers. It's for your clothing and footwear. Pretty cool. Biggest thing in the box is a Gobi Gear 15-liter compression sack. Three inner compartments in it, which is pretty cool. Just check this out. It says it weighs 3.6 ounces. That's pretty cool. It's a compression sack. Pretty cool. Definitely use this for organization. It's got 3 little compartments inside. Definitely use this in my pack. And that looks like that's it. Some DripDrop's advertisement. Yeah, that's it. Pretty cool. First time I've ever won a giveaway like this, which is cool. I definitely will use the Shockcord. Definitely will use the drink mix, and give this stuff a shot too. Very cool. Thanks Nomadik for picking me as a winner. I'll have to try to do their little scavenger hunt or scavenger hunt challenge. Pretty cool. The Huck Outdoors is the one that did the announcement for this giveaway. Thanks Jason over at Huck Outdoors for giving us a chance to try this stuff out, and thanks to Nomadik for picking me as a winner. Very cool.